driving Harare. You just wonder, do we still have drivers? People will just drive the way they want. Huh? This is something else. This is literally something else, guys. Oh. Yeah. Can you imagine the combi nongomira in front of you, just in front of you? Huh? Just in front of you, guys, in the middle of the road. Anyway, guys. What's going on now? What happened here? That's where the flies are. We only have a bucket of water.
No.
And this bucket full of water, there's nothing. So we don't have water in this house.
Yeah.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my
Guys, let me tell you this. Kugara kumba kwedu kakungogara zvako. But this place has no water, guys. This place has no water. Most of the people here, they have wells, but these wells are drying up. Then just a few people, I think around us, there are two people with boreholes, but they are selling this water, guys. The other one is selling 8 buckets at $1. Then the other one is $1 for 10. And in our house, guys, we are 5, having 3 kids. You know, you need water for bathing, water for toilet, flushing. So, hey, it's hectic, guys. We are suffering. On the other hand, we are suffering. We are suffering, guys. Anyway, I just want to finish what I have started, guys. I've got this job that I have created for myself. I want to, make a pillow.
But my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder.
So I'm going to measure here. This is a pillowcase that I'm going to use, a standard pillowcase. So I'm just going to measure the pillowcase that I have already. So it's around 63. I'm going to add an allowance of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Then I also want to measure the width. It's 44.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one.
Guys, in this house now, we eat chicken more than anything. So we have slaughtered the chicken, then boiled it. So we are going to fry it. We are going to roast the chicken. Then this one is for Teddy, Msoro Matumbo and Nzondora. These are for Teddy. Teddy gave birth, guys. We now have puppies in this house. Our little Teddy was pregnant and she gave birth to 6 puppies, guys. She gave birth to 6 puppies. So, guys, I'm going to... Let me just remove the other pieces that I'm going to roast. As of today, we are going to cook chicken stew, but I'm going to roast the rest. I'll just leave the pieces that we are going to eat today, tonight, and roast the rest, guys, just to cook. It was maybe by mistake. So I'm going to roast this. The other one.
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Go. Guys, in the morning I went to town. I wanted to buy a slack, a navy blue. I was looking for a navy blue slack. But guys, you cannot believe what I saw in town. I went straight to Edgars. Was quite Edgars ga ndokunowanikwa you know, those elegant those outfits, guys, the nice outfits, you can get them from Edgars Topics. So I went to Edgars shop. You cannot believe what I saw, guys. Just a slack, a trousers, a ladies trousers, guys, was going for $30. 30 US dollars, guys. It was 30 US dollars. A trousers without a shirt, without a blouse, without a jacket. It was 30 US dollars. I had $20 in my pocket for that trousers. Then $30, guys. Zvinhu zvekwanana Edgars zvakanaka. They've got nice outfits, guys. Nice outfits. If you want to wear formal clothes, you just go to Edgars. They've got very beautiful outfits in different colors. Be it the neutral colors, the blackish, the grays, the nudies, they have them. They also have the light colors in the floral. You know, we are about to get into the into that time, guys, that era, that Christmas time, the summertime. So they've got everything there, but the prices, guys, they are so expensive, very expensive. Ndangobuda zvangu nemari yangu ndoti zviri nani ndiende kwatela. Ndiende kwatela, guys, ngotenga material yangu, guys, ndoenda kwatela ndokuzvipedza. I just need a slack, guys, and the top. I wanted to buy a slack. You know, maslack kazhinji, when you want to wear a slack, you need a proper slack rinonyatsokuenderana newe, and you normally get them from such shops, unless if you manage to get a tailor chaiye. I've got some pieces that I want, guys, kuti ndisonerwe akatowanda, about 4-5 uniform, church uniform, guys. So ndandati kanditsvage maslack achona from Edgars, then ndozosonesa matop acho. But shungu dzemwoyo wangu, guys, dzadzize kuda kuchena. Shungu dzemwoyo wangu dzadziri dzekuda kuchena from Edgars, but zvaramba, guys. Kutoona zvematela zvezera redu. Zvematela zvezera redu. I'm just oiling my hair, guys, here. It's so dry, very dry. Chambori diridzira. I'm trying to moisturize my hair, guys, from the scalp. From the scalp. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow, Sunday, maybe after church, or I don't know. maybe after church, guys. That's when I'll see you. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night.
Mom, should I revive?
Did I say revive?
Yes.
No.
Say the fizzy drink for the family.
Ndoda casket.
Ganga mama for the family.
No, it's not my journey.
Mama, think it's my darling.
I know you guys, but
Mama, think it's me.
I think I'm out of them, but you don't book as a mobile.
Yes, as you can see.
That's not true. Whose towel is this?
And then
You know you ain't expensive. Kimberly, I got him white towel like that.
Mama, you look like you're not sick. Because you still have powder here.
So,
I didn't start seeing it remove.
why?
I see that's okay. That's okay.
Funny, you put a right here. Mazai.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my